welcome back to my channel. So people who watch me for the first time, my name is Veda. I make videos on random topics on which I'm capable of presenting well in front of you all. So today's video is all about Nykaa haul video that I thought of making a week ago, but then it got postponed and now here I am in front of you all. So this is a look I created using those products, but then I filmed the video and it got deleted. I didn't save it and all your hard work goes in vain. It's too much. So yeah, I thought of uploading the video too, but then I guess I should recreate some other look and I will upload it again. As of now, it's just this haul video, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first product is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Toffee Pecan. I guess it's the right way to pronounce it. It gives a very good matte finish and it is like, how should I say, like it's very pigmented maybe. I mean, it stays long, it gets dry very quickly and I really like it. It's okay, it's nice. The first one is this. Next product is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the shade Precious Petal. I heard a lot about this. I really wanted to get a highlighter that doesn't has any kind of shimmer, at all. And finally, after a lot of reviewing and researching, we got this. But there is still a little bit of shimmer in this. Like when you apply, it is nice. It is a really nice product, but then there is a subtle shimmer in it, which I am kind of disappointed, but it's okay. And yeah, this is really pigmented. You can just build it up. You have to just use it like a little amount, and then as per your needs you can just build it up. So yeah. So the next product is this Sugar's mini blush, and this is also really very pigmented, and this is a very beautiful color for dusky skin, dusky to deep browns, and I really like it. First I was a bit skeptical when I got this. It was like really dark, but then as you can see, it is really good on me. It is really a very pretty color, that which is very subtle and doesn't pop up on your face. So yes. And next are these two cute little Nykaa's mini liquid matte lipsticks. One is Chai. I heard so much about this shade, like every YouTuber, every beauty blogger is in love with this lipstick, so I had to get it. But I was, again, because I don't want to waste products, I regret a lot when something I buy and it doesn't do the work. I really feel very bad. So this is very small, cute little one. This is Chai 1.2 ml and this is so nice. This is a very beautiful color. You must have, if you love nudes and browns, you will definitely love this. Look at this perfect nude brown. And the next one is this one. This is this is Maharani, the one I'm wearing right now. This is a super dark red lipstick. As you can see, this is really good. This is the applicator. This is the wand. The applicator is angular or angle in shape, and it is easy to apply. It glides on your lips easily, and it is super pigmented, and it is non-transferable. You can see it. See, there, it is not transferable at all. It does get dried up very quickly. A must-have product again. Also with these two mini liquid lipsticks, I got this complimentary, this mini matte lipstick. How cute is this? This is in the shade Wicked Wine, a darker shade. And the next one is this Gillette Venus Breeze, and this again an essential one, and this one is a really good product. Everybody knows this, every girl has this mostly, so there's nothing much to tell about this product, sorry. And then comes the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It has this cute little angular brush and what is it called, tweezer. This is really good. This is small and strong, and it has two shades in it, and this one is the wax kind of stuff thing. It is really good. The pigmentation is like, it is really good. And yeah, that is it. And the next one is these two combo pack. This is from Maybelline, Maybelline New York Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. This is very precise and very pigmented and smudge proof. See, look at it. It's super black and it is really, it gets dried up very quickly. This is the mascara. This is also really good. What should I say about this? Like, it's good. So the next product is this Sundown Stunner. All the shades are very beautiful. They are all the colors, all the shades are very pretty. I bought this one because this palette has all the nudes, and the shimmer is also very pretty. It isn't a very shimmery kind of thing. The shades are really good. For this look I used, sorry, I'll pick it up later. For this one, for this look I used these first three shades over here, the first three shades, and it is really good, and the applicator is also really good. So that is it. I got these two Maybelline. I got these two eyebrow pencil complimentary for the Wet n Wild products. And then comes the Himalaya kit. This is, oh, I'm sweating a lot. So the next product is this Himalaya facial kit. This has all the products, like all the products. It has a face wash, it has a cleansing milk, it has a neem scrub, it has a toner, it has a face pack, it also has a moisturizing face lotion and a face massager. This is again the cutest one. This cute little thing over here, which doesn't have batteries in it right now, but it's really good. And these all these products for super affordable price. It is a very good catch, I must say, and the smell of these products is extremely good. It smells like Johnson's baby products. It reminds me of all the cute baby products. This really smells nice, like really nice. I showed these products in a vlog that will be uploaded in a couple of days after this video, hopefully. So yeah, I will try to make another makeup look. Maybe it is with the chai one, in an ethnic look, hopefully, and I'll upload it later after this video, obviously. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video is a tad bit at least useful for you all. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.